Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before we go into part 3 of the project 4, please subscribe to this channel and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. So in the previous two parts of project 4, we have discussed about how to upload data from Excel source, that is part 1, and in part 2 I have started the incremental loading where we have used the operation insert operation, and in this video I am going to show you the incremental update. So incremental update means this is the source table. If I make any changes to any row that have programmed in that incremental update, so that value should be changed and the entire data again should be loaded to the OLEDB destination. For that one, as we have configured the incremental loading in orders table, so click on that one and go to the data flow. So already we have used the OLEDB destination, which is connected to the lookup table with the lookup no match output. So if you want to this video, you can go into the playlist above in the iCard or in the description. I have given the project details. So now in order to update the data by using incremental update, so we need to drag the OLEDB command component to this data flow and connect that one to the second input of the lookup table. So lookup will be having two inputs or two outputs. One is lookup no match output and other one is lookup match output. Lookup match output should be connected to this one and the entire data will be loaded to the OLEDB destination. So double click on that OLEDB command. So click on the connection manager and select the connection manager as before, that is sample store, and go to the component properties, and here in the SQL command you need to update and set the data. Set and update the data. So update what you are going to update. We need to update the orders table. So copy that one and paste here. So that is the orders table. Now set what we need to set, what you are going to change, you need to set. So that one here I am going to change the customer name. So for that purpose I am going to consider this customer name from the orders table, or copy that one and paste here. Only one thing I am going to use, and equal to question mark. Question mark means that is the customer name, the customer column will be have a number of values, so that is not values, number of rows. So in order to update the changed thing, that is modified thing, so we need to give the question mark. That means whatever may be the row in that column changed, so that will be updated. So that is nothing but the parameter, that is question mark parameter. Give comma, and only one thing I am going to consider now. I am going to consider the row ID. So according to row ID only the setting and updating should be done here. So for that one, where row ID is equal to question mark. So this is the thing. So two parameters we have considered, that is the customer name change should be depending upon the row ID. Row ID is not having any duplicates. So click OK. So go to the column mapping. Here on the right hand side you will be having param 0, param 1. So if you go back, so the based on the preference you have given the table name, column names in this program, SQL program. So according to that you should be selecting the param. So if it is the first customer name is the first one I have given, so param 0 will be assigned to this one. Row ID should be given with param 1. So like that we need to select the mappings in the column mappings. So if you go here, so go to the, so param 0 is customer name, so select that customer name. so it will be automatically connected. And go to the second one, that is param 1, that is order row id, orders.row id. So that is the thing I have given here. So after that click OK. So now this error has been changed. So now what I will be doing is I will be going to the source table, and here I am having the customer name here as Claire Gut. So I am going to change it as E. So EE, one small e and other one capital E. Save it. So once you save, go to this one and execute the package. Now all the rows again will be loaded to the lookup matched output. So now if you look at here, all the rows have been loaded to the OLDB command where we have given the orders table as destination. So now if you go to the destination file, so if you look at here, see here the customer name has been changed to capital E, which we have modified here. So the same name has been updated. So this is how you update the data.